Today, I am reviewing the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing that really stands out in daily use is the display. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 165Hz refresh rate genuinely changes how everything feels. Even outside of gaming, just scrolling through web pages, editing documents, or dragging windows around feels noticeably smoother. In games, though, this panel shines. Fast-paced shooters, racing games, and action titles benefit massively from the high refresh rate. Motion looks clean, screen tearing is minimal when paired with adaptive sync, and the IPS panel ensures good color consistency and viewing angles. It's not a creator-grade color-accurate display, but for gaming and general content consumption, it hits a sweet spot between responsiveness and visual quality. Performance is where this Nitro V really earns its name. The Intel Core i5-13420H might sound modest on paper compared to higher-tier i7 or i9 chips, but in practice, it's a very capable processor. With its 8 cores and 12 threads, it handles modern games, multitasking, and productivity workloads with ease. I tested it with multiple applications running in the background, browser tabs open, and games launching quickly, without stutters. Turbo boost behavior is aggressive enough to keep things feeling snappy, yet it doesn't constantly sound like a jet engine unless you're really pushing it hard. The star of the show, though, is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU with 8GB of GDDR7 VRAM. This is a big deal at this price level. The extra VRAM makes a noticeable difference in modern games that are increasingly memory-hungry, especially at higher settings. Titles that struggle on older GPUs feel far more stable here, with fewer frame drops and better texture loading. Ray tracing performance is usable, not just a checkbox feature, and DLSS helps squeeze out extra frames when needed. For gamers who want to play current and upcoming titles without constantly worrying about VRAM limitations, this GPU choice feels very future-aware. Memory and storage are sensibly configured right out of the box. The 16GB of DDR4 RAM is more than enough for gaming, streaming, and even light content creation. There's no immediate pressure to upgrade, which is refreshing because too many laptops still ship with 8GB and call it a day. The 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD is fast, plain, and simple. Boot times are quick, games load rapidly, and file transfers feel instant. While heavy users might eventually want more storage, the SSD speed itself is excellent and keeps the whole system feeling responsive. Thermal performance is another area where the Nitro V does better than expected. Under sustained gaming loads, the laptop does get warm, but it stays within reasonable limits. Acer's cooling solution manages to keep CPU and GPU temperatures under control without constant thermal throttling. Fan noise is noticeable when gaming, but it's a steady whoosh rather than an irritating high-pitched whine. With headphones on, it's barely an issue, and for this level of performance, the thermal behavior feels well-balanced. Build quality is solid, if not luxurious. The chassis doesn't pretend to be ultra-premium, but it feels sturdy and well-assembled. There's minimal flex where it matters, and the hinge feels reliable for long-term use. The keyboard is comfortable for both gaming and typing, with decent key travel and a layout that doesn't get in the way. Long typing sessions are surprisingly pleasant, which isn't always true for gaming laptops. The trackpad is responsive and accurate, though most gamers will still prefer an external mouse, and Acer including a mouse pad is a nice practical touch rather than a gimmick. Connectivity is another strong point. The inclusion of a USB Type-C port with Thunderbolt 4 support adds serious versatility. You can connect high-speed external storage, external displays via DisplayPort, and even charge the laptop up to 65W through USB-C when you're on the go. That kind of flexibility is incredibly useful for students and professionals who want one machine for both work and gaming. Traditional USB ports are also well placed, making it easy to plug in peripherals without clutter. Battery life is what you'd expect from a gaming laptop of this class. It's fine for light tasks like browsing or watching videos, but heavy gaming will drain it quickly, as it should. This is clearly a machine designed to be used plugged in when you want maximum performance. The upside is that power delivery is stable and performance doesn't fluctuate unpredictably when connected to the charger.